Hi guys, Lucas from Lucas Cars, and today we're back. We're going to go and see Ollie's new car that he's just bought. He picked it up back last week. I've seen it a couple of times, but you guys haven't seen it yet. We're also going to be seeing Tom as well, which will be fitting a new air filter system, like an induction kit basically, onto his Fiesta, so we'll get to see that. So yeah, let's get to it. Hi guys, we're back. I'm now in Ollie's car. We're on the way to Tom's to put the primary and secondary induction hoses on his Fiesta. So yeah, let's get to it.